Hey yo, what is up people, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can sign up for Uber Eats. Alright, basically what Uber Eats is like, Uber Eats is Uber company's food delivery part. So basically there is a transportation part which is Uber, and Uber Eats is the food part, alright, where they deliver food for you. So basically if you guys want to sign up for Uber Eats, basically want to follow these steps. The first thing is you want to search for Uber Eats sign up. Once you search for Uber Eats sign up on your search engine, then before I show you guys more steps, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, let's start the video. Now once you come over here where it says Uber Eats sign up, you want to click on where it says become a delivery driver using Uber Eats. You want to click on it. Once you come over here, you basically just want to click on where it says sign up. Once you click on sign up, it's going to show you these options where it says sign up to drive and deliver, create a rider account, order deliver with Uber Eats. So this is to so you guys can become a delivery driver, or this is to create a rider account where you can ride Uber, or this is where you can order deliver with Uber Eats. So we want to go over here where it says order delivery with Uber Eats, because we want to order delivery. All right, or you can just create a driver as well if you want to work for Uber Eats. Once you're over here, what you want to do is click on create an account. Once you click on create an account, you want to enter your phone number. Now remember, Uber is available in US and all these countries over here where it shows you. So you want to select your country's code first. So let me see if Nepal is. After you select your country code, you want to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, you want to click on next, and it's going to take you to the page where you can enter other information like your first name, last name, your email address, and all the stuff. And after entering all that stuff, you want to create your password. After creating your password, you want to agree to the terms and service of Uber Eats, and want to click on next, and your account should be created. So that's basically how you guys can create an Uber Eats account or sign up for Uber Eats. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Until then, peace out, bye bye, have a nice day.